Hey guys, let's say we have two brothers and they're getting a rectangular plot of land and they want to split it evenly. So naturally, one thing you could do is draw one of the diagonals, and this would cut the land in half 50-50. Or you could do the other diagonal. Or you could find the horizontal line right here that cuts it in half, or the vertical line. In fact, all of these lines would be sufficient ways to split the land evenly. And you'll notice the one thing they all have in common is they go through the center of the rectangle. And that is actually always going to be true. Any line that goes through the center of the rectangle will cut the rectangle into two equal areas. So this line will do it, this line will do it, this line will do it. But now let's say there's a giant rectangular pond on the property. Can we still split the land fairly? How would you do it? We can't just do one of these lines because this property is going to have a whole lot more water and less land, and this one will have more land and less water. Is there a way to split it evenly between the two brothers? If you want to try it on your own, pause it, because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. First, let's draw the diagonals of the pond, and we're doing that so we can locate the center. And now that we know where the center of the pond is, I'm going to connect the center of the pond with the center of the property. And if we extend this line, this is now an equal split between the two brothers. Since this line goes through the center of the rectangle that is the pond, we know that it splits it equally. And since this line goes through the center of the rectangle, we know that it splits it equally. So we can find it, and this is the line right here that splits it evenly. How exciting.